If you are afraid of making steaks, I'll help you get over it. We're going to prepare 3 types of meat using the sous vide method, which means cooking in a vacuum. Here I have a 300 GH steak from beef sirloin. I'll season it with salt and pepper and get a vacuum bag ready. This bag is specially made for these purposes and is, of course, food safe. Cut off the size you need and seal one end. Lightly singe the other end of the bag like this so you don't dirty the area where you'll seal it. You can add your favorite herbs and a bit of olive oil to the meat according to your taste. Then all you need to do is straighten the edges of the bag and place it into the vacuum sealer and seal the bag. The vacuum sealer removes the air from the bag, creating a vacuum around the meat. For vacuum cooking, I've been using the Sous Vide Club for many years. And thanks to this mounting bracket, you can attach it to any pot. Everything is controlled with this dial. It's intuitive and even a trained monkey could do it. I use this removable cooking box for sous vide. The only things you need to see are the temperature and the cooking time. I cook a beefsteak that's 2 to 3 centimeters thick for 2 hours at 55 degrees Celsius. And every time I take it out, it'll be medium rare, just the way I like it. You simply can't mess it up. If the finished steak isn't going straight to the pan for the final sear after the water bath, you need to cool it down for further storage. I use the 20-20-20 method. I leave it out for 20 minutes, then 20 minutes in cold water and 20 minutes in ice water. After that, it'll last 3 to 7 days in the fridge or up to half a year in the freezer. Next up is the ever-popular pork tenderloin. Undercooked or overcooked, it's just crap. The best is when it's light pink inside. I like it seasoned with salt, pepper, and brushed with mustard. It's a tender meat, so an hour and a half at 58 degrees. If you have a tenderloin from a sow, which is bigger, add 30 minutes. And the third member of our mixed grill is turkey breast. Season each portion with your favorite spices, add a bit of butter, and vacuum seal it. The spices and a little butter will give the turkey a great flavor during the warm bath. 2 hours at 63 degrees. And you will never have to eat dried turkey or chicken breast again in your life. Chilled steaks from the fridge can't go straight onto the pan. They'd be cold inside, so they need to go back into a warm bath. If you're reheating several types of meat at once, choose the lowest original cooking temperature. 15 minutes will be enough for them. Take the meat out of the bag and pat it dry with a paper towel, otherwise the hot fat from the pan will splatter right in your face. Heat up some clarified butter or oil so it has a bit of kick, and sear the meat for 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. The meat is already cooked through. You just need to get a nice color and that seared steak flavor. And now let's cut into those steaks so you can see what they look like inside. Take a look at that. You can't mess it up. Every steak you make will turn out like it was done by a pro. Look at that pork tenderloin, perfectly pink. And the turkey breast is done too, beautifully juicy. And here you can see all 3 contenders on the winner's podium. Until December 3rd, there are big discounts on the Laubin eShop. And on top of that, you can also use this 20% discount code. Yep, the discounts add up. Whip up a side dish to go with the meat. I've got Parmesan potatoes and some homemade demi-glace. So from now on, no stress, keep calm, and eat well. See ya.